there. So today I'm painting an abstract bohemian style painting on a canvas using the Gellimplate as for my designs. So I'm just adding some design to the Gellimplate, and you'll see I don't use the whole thing. You don't need to. Well, I don't need to for my designs, because I just do small areas at a time. I use the stencils as stamps as well. So I just stamp into the paint and then apply it to the colours that I've laid down. So I obviously put darks over the lights and lights over the darks, and I just keep layering the design until I like it. And sometimes if I don't like it, I'll just paint it out with, the under colour, and then just do it again. And just keep going over it. Colour over colour, colour over design, design over colour. And this to me is so therapeutic, because I'm used to doing, or I do a lot of landscapes and seascapes in a impressionist style. So this to me is completely just playing really with colour and design. It's good exercise though. And obviously you can do, you can use paper, you can use card, you can make gift cards. I have some videos where you'll see me do that if you're interested and you'd like to have a look. You can look on my channel and see me making all kinds of cards with this method. You can also paint on wood. You can paint on all kinds of surfaces. You could do a wall if you wanted to, in a house, a room, or an art studio. That'd be nice. Or you could do a gigantic canvas to hang in your art studio. That'd be fun, wouldn't it? I've done some large canvases, but not really, really huge. I might do that. So now, if you're doing a card, for instance, a gift card, like a birthday card, 6x6, they usually are something like that. You would use the small design on it, small designs. And obviously, if you're doing a huge canvas, you would use a bigger Gellimplate. And I've got 3 Gellimplates. One is the big one, and I would use that, and I would paint blocks of vibrant colour onto the big canvas. You might see me do that sometime. And big blocks, and then use the big Gellimplate. But I would still, and that way you can use big designs, big stamps. That'd be fun, wouldn't it? It would look lovely in an art studio, I'll tell you what looks nice. I've done it on lots of paintings. Freehand a script in gold, and you could use any colour you like. You could use the white on the darks and the gold. Anyway, so this is the finished piece. Quite fun. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's inspired you. And with that, I'll say bye for now. And as always, lots of love from Cornwall.